This iPad Air is in today because it is not charging. The ICC Pro tells us that it is a failure of the Tristar IC chip. Let's take the logic board out of the housing and take a look under the microscope. We are going to zero in on the Tristar IC charging IC chip and use hot air at 215 degrees Celsius and 40 airflow to remove the underfill around this chip. That way when we remove it, it won't bring any components with it. Now we're going to focus heat directly onto the chip at 350 degrees Celsius and 50 airflow and remove the chip from the board. Now that that's done, we can clean the area and prepare to install our new Tristar IC chip. Applying some low melt solder will make it easy to clean these pads. Also using some hot air to clean the additional underfill. Once that's done, we can use isopropyl alcohol to complete the cleaning process. Now we are ready to install our new IC chip. We've put it in place on the board and we're going to use 350 degrees Celsius and 50 airflow to float it into place. We're going to give it a light tap. When we see it move back into place, that means it's successfully soldered down to the board. The repair is complete and we're ready to test the iPad. Putting the logic board back into the housing, attaching the LCD and plugging it in. We see that it is now charging normally and the device has been repaired.